Now it's time for us to do the pants. Let's go ahead and show everything. Alright. I'm gonna go and turn off the wireframe for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and select the topology for the pants area and also select the sculpted mesh for our pants, and let's isolate that. Okay. Select our essential loops, hit the tab key. And the way we're gonna do this, we're just gonna go ahead and connect all these together, right? And the important things that we need to think about is we have some extra details here. You see the pocket. We have to make sure that the silhouette here is going to be added in our topology. And remember, the bigger folds, they really stick out more. So the bigger folds like this is called, I would consider this a big fold where it really adds to the silhouette. And this, and maybe this one is very little amount of fold, so maybe that is not a big deal. You don't have to worry too much about that. It could just be fake with a normal map. But yeah, bigger folds like this, folds like that add to the silhouette. Definitely make sure that you take that shape into account. Smaller folds like this, memory folds like that, subtle. Don't need to worry too much about that at all. But let's go ahead and work on the pocket area, okay? And I think the easiest part is just connecting the essential loops here. All right. I'm going to have to do the pocket, and I want to show you how I would do the pocket. Let's go ahead and select one of the geometry here. And let's go on Shift D to make a copy. And I'm going to make sure that I still have backface culling turned on. Okay, great. And then go and move this. Move this up. Alright. And make sure you have turned on the snap tool, face nearest. So that's what I forgot to do. That's why it wasn't snapping on the mesh because I didn't have snap turned on. Alright. So thinking of the shape of the pocket here, I'm probably going to have geometry coming around like this. Okay. And then geometry coming down like this. Keep it low poly. Alright. So just visualizing, if you have to draw it out, and I have like this app called Epic Pen. So I believe you can download that one for free, or there's other screen markers you could download for free online. You could draw right on your screen. But if this will help you where you're able to visualize first how your topology will look, feel free to do that. I used to do that when I was starting out, but as I got used to topologizing, I really didn't have to do that anymore. But yeah, when I was starting out, I had to do that. Okay, I'm going to select the edge and extrude. Alright, and extrude this out. Yep. So when we do it on one side, you can see that it does it on the other side. Go all the way over here. Here, and maybe you could add another one right here. There you go. Pull this up, and up. And you can go and extrude this down. Like this and this. Press E to extrude. And I'm going to go ahead and select this, press F to bridge, and bridge. Go. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and pull this down. And you can see it's sticking over there. Make sure you pull that up. Press G to kind of move it slowly. And we'll move this up. Okay. And same here. I'm gonna go ahead and down. This. Extrude it. Extrude it. Okay. And looking from this view, make sure it's on top of the surface. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just kind of have it meet up. Yeah. Here. Go. Select this and this, press F, and add another edge loop right here. Alright. Now I'm going to select this and press F to add on. Select this and this and extrude that out. Bridge and bridge. Okay, probably could use some more geometry here. So I'm going to go ahead and move this to the side. Add one right here. Nudge it. Moves up. Alright, so thinking about how I'm going to partner these up already. Okay. And I got another one edge loop right there. So now I could go to edge and just bridge all of these all around. We got that nice pocket going. And then could go ahead and extrude this down. Go. And same here. Just going all around. There you go. There you go. And same here. Could still have it kind of go all around. Alright. So this is kind of slightly open, so we could go ahead and extrude another one like this. So it looks like in this side is different from this side. This is close up some more, so we have to add extra geometry here, which is fine. And here. Go. And now. Yeah. Then we can select this and this, press F to bridge. Okay. Select this here, create a triangle right there. And I think I could further select this edge and move it like this. Okay. Now I could go and extrude. Pull that down like up to here. Go. And go ahead and select this and extrude. And extrude again. Extrude. You select this and this and put that together. And here, extrude. So I'm thinking for this one, you'd go ahead and use the knife tool, create another polygon. Go. Now I could go ahead and bridge these and bridge this to this. There you go. Now I'll go ahead and extrude this down And I think for here, we could kind of deal with this already. Go. And I think for here to here, we could just bridge that for the triangle. And then we go over here and extrude this. And have this come down. Here also. We could look at the back, the other side here. Looking good. So we have it on both sides. Exactly what we want. And we can go and select this here and extrude. Bridge. And bring that down. Bridge. Okay. I'm thinking for this, we could go and merge this at the center. Sometimes you gotta do that to have an evenly distributed geometry. Okay, now go ahead and extrude this down. And pull this back like this. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and extrude. Then I'm gonna extrude it all the way down like this. Alright, and same here. Gonna go extrude it all the way down. Up to here. And of course, we're gonna need more geometry here. Gonna go ahead and create more number of cuts, maybe 5. And then nudge these. Go to each of these and just nudge them. And for this one, Control R, right click, and I'm gonna add maybe 8. And just nudge them. I'm gonna go to Polygon Select and nudge each of these. You have to nudge them so they would stick on the surface. Great. I might have added a little too much here. I'm gonna remove 2 and dissolve the edges. Go. I'm gonna go ahead and select these and extrude it. Extrude some more. Scale. Extrude. Nudge this up. All the way down. Rotate. Scale. Move it down. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 more. Go. And just gonna nudge it. Just like that. Now, I could think about how these are gonna partner up already. Because I could partner these up. Think about how I'm gonna partner these up. That's good. I think there's an extra one here. I'm gonna solve the edge there. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and bridge all the way. Same here. Bridge all the way. The subtle on the pocket here is very subtle, so I don't really need to add much here. So a net like topology is fine. Okay, now for this, go ahead and probably select the edge here, extrude this. Thinking of adding this here, and same with this, extrude it down. Then extrude this out. Okay, so we got something nice. And extrude, scale. Okay, and bridge it. Great. Now, bridge this. Bridge this. This is bothering me. Lift that up. Okay, and for this, lift that up. Lift this up. Gonna straighten this out slightly. A little bit straighten out. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my sculpting brush to smooth this out later. But for now, I'm going to think about how this is going to connect already. Alright, now connect all of these. Great. And I'm going to go to scope mode. I like to turn on my wireframe as I do this. So now I can smooth this out so it looks cleaner. Much cleaner. And then I'm going to go back here and smooth it. Okay, I'm going to go turn off the wireframe, back to object mode. Then I'm going to go turn on my proportional editing. And yeah, just going to go and kind of move these around. I think it's a little too large, the proportional editing. I'm going to scroll down to bring it down. And make sure to press enter to agree to the settings. And you could also go to vertex. Just nudge these around. I'm going to turn this off. Nudge it around. Okay. Next up is going to be this area of the pocket. Alright, I think for this one, then we could go ahead and first let me fix this area. Okay. We also touch this here. Alright, I'm going to select one of the polygons here, Shift D to make a copy, and then it's going to go ahead and move it here. So it's going to be similar to how we did this pocket right here. Extrude it. That. Then I'm going to go and extrude this like this, scale it down, extrude. Go. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and go around and just create more geometry there. Nudge this. Okay, I'm going to go and select this here. Extrude it. Same here for this. Extrude that. I think for this one, needs to move closer here in the edge. There you go. Alright, and I'm going to go rotate. Same here. Let me lift this up slightly and extrude and rotate, move it up. Extrude. Like this and this, press F. There you go. Now I could go ahead and bridge these. Great. Maybe I could add another geometry here. Make this area pop out more as it has it on the mesh. There you go. So for this here, so I believe this one has a little slight opening here. It makes it look more interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and move this down slightly. Alright, yeah, we could go ahead and extrude this down like that. Extrude it down. Okay, so Just make it go all around this. Alright, and then we go ahead and this. Go. Screw that out. Go. Alright, great. Next up is, let's go ahead and extrude this like this. And here. And here. 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 And here. I think for this we could go ahead and create a triangle, no issue, because this is gonna come together. And you know what, we could probably, I'm gonna go and delete this face. There you go. I think we could use another extra geometry and merge at the center. We could go ahead and merge these together. And probably could use another geometry, another edge here. I'm gonna go to my knife tool and create another edge. And we go ahead and merge these. And for this one, select, create an edge using the knife tool. And we can go ahead and select these two vertices and merge at the center. Connect these, merge at the center. Alright, and probably for this we could, maybe we could merge. Yeah, that's fine. Merging this are fine. And then we could probably use another geometry around this area. So we could go press K for the knife tool, add a triangle there, press enter. And then merge these together. Great. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just select all of these, screw this down, go. I think for this here, move that closer, like that. Okay. For this, I think for this one, go ahead and shred this, get more shape here. Just all around, getting that shape down. And then for this, we could create a triangle. Okay, and yeah, gonna go ahead and think about extruding this all the way down. Before I do that, I think it's always best to do the border edge. That way you can think about how you're gonna align these together already. See this, what I'm doing? It makes it easier. Feel free to scale it down if you need to. Scale it. Okay. All right. Now, could lift this up and could add a little shape here. Same here, extrude. Okay, and extrude this, and bridge. There you go. Now we could select these and extrude it, scale it, rotate slightly, move it, Oops, I think I accidentally extruded it. Rotate. Alright, I'm gonna go extrude again. Extrude. Go. And slightly nudge this. So you saw as I was extruding this, I was already thinking about how I'm gonna bridge these, which makes it easier. We go select this edge and just press F to go all the way through. Make life easier for us. Alright, and now think about how these are gonna connect also. So I think I could remove this, dissolve the edge there. So I think thinking about partnering these up in advance will help you out. There you go. Now we could go ahead and I think for this I could use another one here. Go. Let's see. Yeah. I think it's best to have this go down. Alright, that's fine. Okay, so we could start bridging these. So I'm gonna select this and bridge it. Select this as this edge and then just press F to go all the way through because they're already partnered up. And for this one, yeah, I'm gonna bridge it. And here, bridge that. Okay, now there's some depth going on here. We could add another depth here. That'll work better for us. So I'm gonna go ahead and select these, extrude it out. Maybe this one we don't need. Merge it to center. Okay. So if you need to remove an edge or dissolve an edge because it's not contributing to the shape of the geometry of the sculpted mesh, don't be afraid to get rid of it if it's not contributing in any shape or form to the overall shape of the geometry. So like this one here, we could just go ahead and merge it to center because we don't need that extra edge around this area. We do need it here because we need that shape here, but around this we don't. Probably even this we don't need. I think for this we could go ahead and select this and then just bridge it. Alright. Okay, great. So we got that pocket right there.